Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Workbench to practice your SQL queries. So the URL is workbench.developerforce.com. Alright, so I'll just go ahead and press enter. This is the Workbench login screen, so we have to go ahead and check this agreement and then click log with Salesforce. So it will ask you for credentials, so just go ahead and enter your credentials and log in. So this is the Workbench page, and this is a very comprehensive tool. It has some wonderful features. If you look at utilities, you can see these Salesforce tools available. We have migration tools available. We can upload the data in it, and we have queries available. So I want you to go ahead and click on settings and then scroll it down a bit. You have allow SQL parent relationship queries, so check that box right now and then apply settings, because without having checkbox over there it will not allow us to do cross object query. So now go to queries and then click on SQL queries. Alright, so under object drop down we can go ahead and select account object. Right now it is now populating the fields. So if you click on any of the field API name over there, it will generate a query, and then if we click on the query button, we can see the result down below. So this is the power of Workbench. So I would recommend practice your queries in Workbench as much as possible. So now let me go ahead and add a custom query. I'll go ahead and use a basic example right now. I'll enter select ID name phone from account object, and then when I click on query, you can see the result down below. It is pulling up ID name and phone. So this is the basic example for SQL query, and now we will go ahead and see cross object example. For that I'll go ahead and type select first name, comma, last name, comma, account dot name, comma, account dot industry from contact. So first name and the last name, these are the API names found in contact object. However, account name and account industry is from account object. Let me go ahead and click on query and see what happens. Alright, so our cross object query is also displaying the result. It is pulling up the data from contact object and from account object as well. So this is the example for cross object query, and let me go ahead and add some filters to it. I'll go ahead and add where account dot industry equals to energy, and let us see what happens now. I'm going to go ahead and click on query. Alright, so it has filtered all the accounts that has industry as energy. Let me go ahead and add one more filter. I'll add order by, and I will use last name, and then I will type ASC like in cat. So ASC stands for ascending. Now when I click on query, it is now displaying the last names in ascending order. I'll go ahead and add one more filter. I'll add and filter right now. First name like a person symbol. Alright, so now when I click on query, it will display the records which has the first name starts with A. And this is the best way to practice your SQL queries, I would say. Alright, so keep on practicing this, and when just try to use your own logic and build your own queries. And once you feel that you're perfect with SQL queries, then you can go ahead, then you can go for some complicated queries as well. Alright, we can add limitations to our query as well. Like for example, I'll go ahead and add another filter called limit 10, and then I'll go ahead and click on query right now. Okay, it is displaying only 7. I think account industry energy has only 7 accounts, so I'll go ahead and remove those other filters right now, and now I'll go ahead and click on query. Alright, so it is displaying 10 accounts, 10 records at a time, so that means that this limit filter is also working perfectly fine. So this is how you can practice your SQL queries. Alright, so in our next video we will learn some more wonderful features. Until then, thank you.